What's up, YouTubers? I have a case 621E. I'm going to show you how to disengage the parking brake. Up here. Alright, so I already ran it. I like to run it, but I'll show you again. Okay, so I like to run it, get all the stuff flowing. What I do is I'll step on the parking brake. I like to hear the pump. And then what I would do, I would turn the key off, put the key on the on position. Okay. I will put it in gear, step on the brake, release the switch. Your parking brake is disengaged for you to complete a brake job.